Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another beautiful eyeshadow tutorial, and that is how to create this easy golden eyeshadow in just under 5 minutes. I love doing these hacks for you, so if you're ready, let's get started. To start off this look, we are obviously going to start priming our eyelids, and I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Medium Dark, which is known as Biscuit. And I'm going in with my Anisa Beauty Eye Prime Brush and priming the eyelids. Take your time with this step because you want to have a clear canvas for eyeshadow. I'm going to go in with the new Natasha Denona Golden palette, and for this shade I'm going to be starting with Sandstone. I'm going in with the Morphe into Ariel brush set, and I'm using the A11 brush. This is a more fluffy brush that we would like to go in. And now going in with the shade Sandstone, we're going to apply this on the outer corner of the eye. You do not have to be too precise with this step, but just make sure you're applying this into the eye socket as well. Avoid applying it too close to the brow. Next, we're going in with the A20 brush from the same collection. This is a more precise brush. We need to apply the next shade, which is going to be Thicc, a bit more precisely, so that's why we're going to be using this brush, and I want you to apply this in a diagonal line. Concentrate most of the color towards the lash line so that it increases the depth. Once you've built up enough color of Thicc, this is how the eyelid should be looking. We want to concentrate the color mostly on the outer corner of the eye. And now going in with our A11 fluffy brush from the Morphe collection again, we're going to blend this out. You don't have to be too precise, just blend it on the outer corner. Changing brushes, we're going to go in with the Nickia Joy Cosmetics E05 Firm Blend brush. You can see how beautifully this has been designed. This is meant for precise application, and we're going to deepen out the color again. The shade that we're going to be using is Thicc. Now with the A20 brush from the Morphe collection, we're going to try and blend that out, but a bit more precisely. Blend that into the eye socket as well. Going in with our A11 brush, which is again a beautiful fluffy brush, let's go ahead and blend all of that out. Take your time with this step because this is very important and crucial for a beautiful blend. And this is how your eye should look. Now let's get into the shimmers. We're going to go in with the shade Oro, and I'm going to be applying this with the finger. This gives you instant pigment and you're not going to waste product. If you'd like, I'd also recommend that you tap the product on instead of rubbing it. Going in with the Nickia Joy Cosmetics Firm Blend brush, which is the E05 brush from before, we're going to be applying the color onto the shimmer. This has to be focused only on the outer corner of the eye and a bit into the eye socket. This is how your eye should look once you've done that step. And now going in with the shimmer shade Oro, I'm going to apply this towards the inner corner. This is how your eye should look finally. Now to add more depth, we're going to use the Huda Beauty Creamy Kohl pencil, and this is to add definition to the eye. So you're going to apply this on the lower lash line, and also you're going to tightline the upper lash line. To prep the lashes for mascara, I'm going to use the Lily Lashes Lash Curler. This will just elongate the lashes. Be careful while doing this step because you don't want to tug out your lashes. For mascara, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Mascara. This is my absolute trusted one, and I'm going to apply a few coats. Make sure you're wiggling the wand so that it separates the lashes and you don't struggle with clumpiness. And this is how your eye should look at the end of this tutorial. I really hope this was helpful to you. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I will see you again in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See ya.